Hello dear children, this is class 9th maths class. In the previous class we have learned chapter 2 compound interest without using formula. Today we are going to learn chapter 3 compound interest, the same topic but by using formula. So let us see all the formulas related to this chapter first. First formula is when the interest is compounded yearly, the formula to find out the amount is equal to A is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 power n, where A is amount, P is principal, R is rate, n is time, which is in year. Second formula of this chapter is to find the amount when the rates for successive years are different. Children will apply the same formula. A is equal to P into 1 plus R1 by 100 into 1 plus R2 by 100 into 1 plus R3 by 100 and so on, where R1%, R2%, R3% and so on are the rates for the successive years. Dear children, let us start exercise 3A. Question number 1. Calculate the amount if rupees 15,000 is lent at compound interest for 2 years and the rate for the successive years are 8% per annum and 10% per annum respectively. In this question, principal is given 15,000, time is given 2 years, rate R1 is given 8% per annum, R2 is given 10% per annum. Now let us apply the formula. A is equal to P into 1 plus R1 by 100 into 1 plus R2 by 100. Now put it their values. P is 15,000 rupees into 1 plus R1 is 8% means 8 by 100 into 1 plus R2 means 10 by 100. Now this 0 0 we will cancel out. Now this numbers we will cancel out by 4 4 2 is 8 and 4 25 is 100. Now let us see 15,000 and 25 1 is 25 plus 2 that is equal to 27 by 25. Now 10 1 is 10 plus 1 which is equal to 11 by 10. Now we will simplify this equation. By simplifying, here we will divide this 25 by 5 first. 5 5 is 25 and 5 300 is 1500. Now 300 will divided by this 5 5 60 is 300. Now 60 into 27 into 11 that is equal to 17,820 rupees will be the amount, and this is our answer. Now let us see the next question. Question number 2. What sum of money will amount to rupees 5,445 in 2 years at a 10% per annum compound interest? In this question, amount is given 5,445, time is given 2 years, rate is given 10% per annum, and we have to find out the principal. Find, it is written what sum of money means principal we have to find out. So we'll apply the same formula. A is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 power n. Now we will transpose this P this side, so it will become P is equal to, A will go that side, so A by 1 plus R by 100 power n. Now we will put it their values. 5,445 is the amount upon 1 plus R is 10% given, 10 by 100 power 2. Now this 0 0 will cancel out. 10 1 is 10 plus 1 that is 11 by 10. 5,445 upon 11 by 10 power 2. Now this number will reciprocate here. 5,445 into 10 into 10 upon 11 into 11. First let us divide this number by 11. 11 4 is 45. Now 104. Now 11 9 is 99 and 55. 11 5 is 55. Again this number will be divided by 5. 545 is 495. So 45 into 10 into 10 that is equal to 100. 45 into 100 that is equal to 4,500 rupees is the principal. This is our answer. Now let us see the next question. Question number 3. At what rate percent per annum will rupees 6,000 amount to rupees 6,615 in 2 years when interest is compounded yearly? Children, here principal is given 6,000 rupees, amount is given 6,615 rupees, time is given 2 years. We have to find out the rate. Children, again we will apply the same formula. A is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 power n. Now we will transpose this P this side, so it will become A by P that is equal to 1 plus R by 100 power n. Now we will put it their values. Amount is 6,615, principal is 6,000 rupees. Now let us simplify this number. First we will divide this number by 5. 5 1 is 5, 5 2 is 12, 5 2 is 10 that is equal to 1200. And if we will divide this number we will get it 1323 1323 323, and again if we'll divide this number by 5, we'll get it here 5 4, no, we are going to divide it by 3. 3 4 ja 100, and here 3 4 ja 12, 3 4 ja 12, and 3 1 ja 3. So we will get it here 441 by 400, that is equal to 1 plus r by 100 power 2. Now 441 is the square of 21 and 400 is the square of 20. We'll write down 21 by 20 power 2, that is equal to 1 plus r by 100. So 21 by this 2 and 2 will cancel out here. So 21 by 20 is equal to 1 plus r by 100. Then we will write down like this. This 1 we will transport to left hand side. So 21 by 20 minus 1 is equal to r by 100. So we'll take it LCM as 20, 21, and then 20, 1 is 20, 21 minus 20 is equal to r by 100. So 21 minus 20, that is equal to 1 by 20 is equal to r by 100. So we'll make it a cross multiplication, 20 into r, 20r, 100 into 100. So r is equal to 100 by 20, that is equal to 5. So rate will be 5% per annum. This is our answer. Now let us see the next question, number 4. In how many years will rupees 7,000 amount to rupees 9,317 at 10% per annum compound interest? In this question, principal is given 7,000, amount is given 9,317 rupees, rate is given 10% per annum. We have to find out the time. So we will apply the same formula. Amount is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 power n. So we will transpose this number P this side. So A by P, that is equal to 1 plus R by 100 power n. So amount is given 9,317 by 700, that is equal to 1 plus R by 100 power n. Now we will divide this number by 7. 7 1 ja 7, 30 we will write down like this, and 7 1 ja 7, 23, 7 3 ja 21, 21, 7 3 ja 21, 7 1 ja 7. So we'll get it here 1331 by 1000 rupees, that is equal to 1 plus 1 by 10. This 0 0 will cancel out, 1 by 10 power n. So 1331 is the cube root of 11, and 1000 is also the cube root of 10. So we'll write down 11 by 10 power cube, that is equal to 11 by 10. Here we will take it the LCM 10 and 10 1 ja 10 plus 1, that is equal to 10 plus 1, 11 by 10. So 11 by 10 and 11 by 10 will cancel out. So n is equal to 3. So what is n? N is the time. So 3 year is our answer. Next question is, find the difference between compound interest and simple interest on rupees 8,000 in 2 years and at 5% per annum. So in this question, principal is given 8,000, rate is given 5%, time is given 2 years. We have to find out the difference between compound interest and simple interest by using the formula. So let us first find out the simple interest, PRT upon 100. So P is 8,000, rate is 5%, and time is 2 years upon 100. After simplifying this number, we'll get it 80 into 5 into 2, that is equal to 800 rupees. This is our simple interest. Now let us find out the compound interest. A is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 power n, where A we have to find out. P is given 8,000, bracket close, bracket open, 1 plus R is given 5%, so 5 by 100 power 2. After simplifying this, 5 1 ja 5, 5 20 ja 100. So we'll get it 8,000 into 1 by 20, it is given, so 20 1 ja 20 plus 1, that is equal to 21 by 20 power 2. So 8,000 into 21 into 21 upon 20 into 20. This 2 0 we will cancel out first. 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 20. So 20 into 21 into 21, that is equal to 20 into 441, that is, by multiplying we'll get it 8,820 rupees. So as we know, compound interest is equal to amount minus principal. So amount is 8,820 minus 800 rupees. 8,000 rupees, we will get it 820 rupees as a compound interest. According to the question, difference between compound interest and simple interest, that is equal to 8,020 minus 800, that is equal to 20 rupees will be our answer. So children, this is the last question, and we'll see the next in the next class. Thank you. Take care of you.